Hi, I'm Marna, and every month on the 3rd, I am fortunate enough to co-host with Dory from Dory's Dollies, Amaya Raine Day. I love these dolls here. And Amaya Raine Day, we give a theme, and this month is shamrocks and or green, and I thought this girl really fits the bill. I absolutely love her.
It's a lot of green.
It is a lot of green. Look at her lips. I love this pattern. It's very quick and easy. It was put out by xoxoblythe.com, Poochie Collection.com. This website, last 3 times I checked, is no longer up. Websites are very expensive, and with Facebook and everything else, you can see why they're closing. So we took this pattern with credit to this person and put it on Whimsical Blythe. It has a collar and cuffs and sleeve, and you can make it with or without. Wonderful pattern. It's just the same pattern as, well, these are everywhere actually, but I took it up, I think 15 or 20%, and cut that out for my Rainbow High dolls. Now, you'd think you only have to go up a little bit, but in the hips, their butts are really wide. So that's what I used. And I said we have this on our Whimsical Blythe.
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, and you can get that there. We're not trying to steal it. We just want it out there for people because like I said, I've used this a lot of times. I love how this outfit worked out on my little Rainbow High girl. She is a, boy, she could be so many things. I think she was originally a band member for one of the Rainbow High bands. I was going to do something different with her hair. These were actually little braids. There's 3 or 4 or 5 of them. 4 I can see right there. But I thought, it's St. Patrick's. Let that green fly. Dory, you are so much fun. Thank you so much. Please go by Dory's today. You're going to love it. She has a wonderful channel, and in general, you won't find any doll channels that has more doll types than Dory, or a person on YouTube that knows more about dolls. I mean, in general and individual. I asked Dory. Dory's kind of my guru and my mentor for a lot of dolls. So go by and see Dory today, and please, for both of us, would you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe?